Is your lawn looking tired, patchy, or just not as thick as it used to be? Today we're ranking 5 lawn aerator rollers from weakest to best, so you can choose the right tool to bring your grass back to life. Coming in at number 5, we have the Failenfeivp rolling aerator. This is the lightest and most basic tool on our list, and that's exactly why it lands in the last spot in today's ranking. It features 42 steel spikes that reach about 2 inches into the soil, and it has a long 55-inch handle that helps you stay upright while you work. On paper that sounds solid. It's also made from galvanized steel, so rust shouldn't be a big concern. For very small lawns or light soil that's already fairly loose, it can help open up the surface and improve airflow. But here's the issue. At just under 4 pounds, it's extremely lightweight. That means it struggles to penetrate compacted or dry soil unless you put serious body weight behind it. Compared to the heavier models in this lineup, it simply doesn't go as deep or as effectively. And like all the products here, it doesn't dethatch, it only pokes holes. If you've got a tiny yard and soft soil, this could be a budget-friendly starting point. Just don't expect dramatic results on tough ground. And by the way, you'll find links to all the products in this review at the best available prices in the description right under the video. At number 4, we step things up with the Walensee rolling aerator. It's still a spike-style manual tool, but it's noticeably sturdier and more capable than the previous one. With the same 42 spikes and 2-inch penetration depth, the big difference here is weight and design. At nearly 12 pounds, it presses into the soil more effectively. The adjustable handle, reaching up to about 71 inches, makes it more comfortable for users of different heights. The spiral spike layout also helps it roll more smoothly across your lawn, which makes longer sessions less frustrating. That said, it's still a spike aerator. Compared to heavier options higher on this list, it doesn't dig as aggressively into compacted clay or heavily packed soil. And again, there is no dethatching function built in, so if you're dealing with thick thatch buildup, this won't remove it. This one is ideal for homeowners with small to medium lawns who want something affordable but more substantial than a super light model. And if you're finding this review helpful so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest lawn care breakdowns like this. Now we're getting into more serious territory. In third place, we have the Seeutek 23-inch rolling aerator. The first thing that stands out is that wide 23-inch roller. That means you cover more ground with every pass, which saves time on medium-sized lawns. At 24 pounds, it's significantly heavier than the previous 2 models, and that extra weight helps the 2-inch spikes bite deeper into the soil. The alloy steel construction also feels much more durable and solid overall. Compared to the lighter spike rollers, this one delivers better penetration and more consistent results, especially if your soil is moderately compacted. But it's still a spike aerator. It pushes holes into the ground rather than removing plugs, which means it's not as effective as a true core aerator when dealing with severe compaction. If you want a balance between coverage, weight, and affordability, this is a strong middle ground option. It's great for homeowners who want faster coverage without stepping into extremely heavy equipment. In second place, you have the Senvert manual rolling aerator. This is where power and performance really start to show. Weighing around 32 pounds on its own, and capable of going up to roughly 55 pounds when filled or weighted, this tool delivers serious downward pressure. That extra mass helps the spikes drive deeper into compacted soil compared to the lighter models we've already covered. It also includes transport wheels, which makes moving it around a lot easier despite the heavier frame. Compared to the Seeutek, this one can potentially go deeper because of its added weight capacity. However, it's still using spike aeration, so while it's strong and effective for improving airflow and water absorption, it doesn't pull out soil plugs the way a core aerator does. If you've got tougher soil and you're ready for a more heavy-duty manual solution without jumping to powered machines, this is an excellent choice. It's built for homeowners who want serious results and don't mind putting in the physical effort. And finally, in first place, we have the KD STONEDGE core aerator. This one stands out because it doesn't just poke holes, it actually removes soil plugs. That core aeration design makes a major difference. Instead of simply pushing spikes into the ground, it extracts small plugs of soil. This creates space for air, water, and nutrients to reach the roots more effectively. If you're dealing with heavy compaction, clay soil, or a lawn that just refuses to thrive, this type of aeration is far more impactful than spike-only models. At around 38 pounds, it's solid and durable. Yes, it requires effort, and yes, it's heavier to maneuver than the lighter spike rollers, but the results are on another level. Compared to every other product on this list, this one offers the most effective long-term solution for improving soil structure. If you're serious about restoring lawn health and want the strongest manual option in this ranking, this is the one to look at first. If you're ready to upgrade your lawn care routine, check out the top rated products using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss our next in-depth review.